Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and swap an exercise on the ladder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official ladder application if you're not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for ladder, find the application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started with accessing our themes. But basically keep in mind you need a paid subscription to be able to use ladder, or to have the free trial that is offered to you once you install the application for the first time. Once you have done that, here at the bottom of the screen we can get started with accessing the theme section, where you can go ahead and choose your coach and the program you want to follow, and then we can go back to the main page right here. So basically guys, to swap an exercise in the ladder application, you can tap or swipe the coach avatar next to the movement before starting your workout to select a recommended alternative or to change your equipment type. So here you can go ahead and tap on the workout, and then you can get started with taking a look at the options you have right here for your workout. And as you can see, once you go ahead and scroll down, you're going to have the coach recommendations, and you're going to go ahead and be able to take a look at similar workouts that you can replace this one with. So as you can see in the upper right corner, you also have the settings options that's going to enable you to manage your workout settings. So if you want to use a different one, this is how it's done. You can go ahead and follow it for yourself. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.